Hi everyone, so in this video we're finally going to put our local repository that we worked on into GitHub. So if you've been following along, that's great. If not, just get a quick git init running with a couple files in it and you should be able to follow along with this video, no problem. So the way we put a repository in GitHub is not too bad. So once you've logged in and registered for GitHub, click this plus in the top right. We're going to click new repository and we're just going to give it a silly name. I'm going to match the name that I have in my local computer. Code projects the folder name is going to be the repository name. Keep it public. I'm not going to initialize a readme, and I'm just going to click create repository. And you're going to get this helpful screen. So push an existing repository from the command line. So what I can do is just copy this command and paste it into my terminal. So if I go here, paste it, what this is saying is I'm adding a remote origin to this local repository. And so now I've kind of connected it to this GitHub link, which is going to store my code. And finally, I just copy and paste the second command, git push -u origin master. And now you'll see if everything worked, you don't get any red error messages or anything. You'll get a bunch of words that honestly, it's just kind of the process goes through. I couldn't tell you what exactly everything means. It's basically breaking down the code and sending it over the internet and up to GitHub. Once you've done, refresh this page and everything will be here. Here's my main.js with that const x in it, const x equals 7. Here's my index.html, which had that hello world that I put in it, and everything's great. And you can see in my 2 commits, here are my messages that I did for those commit messages in the 2 videos ago. So there's my initial commit, there's my added in h1 to HTML and a variable to JS file. And so now I have a place that keeps track of my code on the internet. And if somebody wanted to check out my code, then they could do so. So when you do your homework, you're going to want to set this up early, and then once you've committed all your code and you finished your homework, this is the link you're going to turn in. So you just go to your repository link. It should be your link is going to be something along the lines of github.com/your username / the name of your repository, and you'll submit that for your homework. And that's it. So if there are any questions about Git or GitHub, please shoot me an email, shoot me a Slack message if you're having trouble with it. Sometimes there can be a couple of hiccups in terms of setting it up, and we can work through those pretty easily. So please reach out if you need any help. That's it. Take care.